Hello children, in today's video we will learn how to calculate the average of four numbers in Scratch 3. For that you have to go to MySpace and from this MySpace you click on the add button which is there on your right hand side corner. The moment you click on it, a new programming site will be appear where you can create your new program. It might take some time, so wait patiently. So now first we have to create variables. As we are calculating four numbers, we need to create four variables for four numbers, one variables for addition and another for average. So all total we have to create 6 variables. So here on your left hand side you see there is the variable. So I'll click on it and I'll click on my variables, make a variable. So there I will click and I will add 6 variable as I have shown in the previous video as well. Click on my variables. So for the numbers I'm giving 4 alphabets. Alphabet A, B, number 3 is C and D. So these 4 variables I will use for numbers. And now I will add another variable, that is addition, or I'll simply write add and I click on OK. Another variable we will be needing for calculating the average. So I'll click on new variable and there I write average, AVG in short form, and I click on OK. Now we will add the variables one by one, and for that we have to scroll up, and from there first we have to select and drag this set A. So I'll select and drag set A first and I put one number. Suppose I write 50 and then again set A. Select and drag, put it below, and from here the drop down arrow we have to select the different variables. So I have already selected number A, so I will now select B, and suppose now for B I write 60 and again another set A, select and drag and drop. Now drop down arrow C, and here I will write 70 and then I'll choose number D and I will make it as 80. So these are the 4 variables for 4 number. Now we will select set A again, but here from the drop down we will select add. When we select add, in the previous video also we said that for addition we will not we will not write the numbers. We'll go to operators, and from there we have to select the first option which is there, that is the addition one. Listen very carefully. This time we have to add this operator 3 times. How we will do it? Let us see. So first I'd select, drag, and moment I bring it near to the 0, it's glowing, I'll leave it here. So now here we have place to add how many numbers? 2 numbers. But we have to add how many numbers? We have to add 4 numbers, A, B, C and D. For that we have to select it once again, and we will drag, and now see in the second box we will put it here. And now look very carefully. Now we have how many place? We have 3 places, because in one addition box we have added another addition. So for that reason we have 3. So another one more time we'll drag and put it here. So now we have 4 places. And in those 4 places, what we have to do? We have to put the variable same as the previous one, the addition one. So first, now here we have to select the 4 numbers A, B, C, D. These 4 variables we will put here in these 4 places. So we put A, then we will put B, C and D. So now we have 4 variables. So in set add we have 4 variables, that is the addition of what? These 4 numbers. Okay, these are the 4 numbers, and here we have made the program for adding it. Now we'll go where? Again we'll select set A, bring it here and leave. Now we'll do the what? Average. For average, what we have to do? Drop down, from there we select average. Now to calculate average, what do we have to do? We have to divide the total of this, means the result of the addition, with 4. So we have to make a operation in such a way so this will be add by 4. And how we will make it? Let us see. We'll go to operators, and from there we'll select this one, the 4th one. We select and drop beside the average. Okay. Now go to variables. From there you will select add, and you put it in the first box, because we have to, for finding out the average, we have to divide the total by 4, and here we'll simply click and we write the value, that is 4. Now we go to the event, and from there what we do? We click on when flag is clicked. Now see, look very carefully. Right now here all the things that we have is 0. Now I click on the flag, and see, we got our total and our average. So this is how we can calculate average for 4 numbers. If you want to calculate average more than 4 numbers, you have to add more variables and give different names and write your numbers. Thank you. Practice it. Have a nice day.